long has it been going on, Jack? The drinking?
Few weeks.
Wow, and I didn't even know about it.
How would you? You haven't really been around.
Thank you for letting me know, though. So tell me, have you been driving the kids around drunk?
Of course not.
Of course not. You just drove to my show drunk. Well, that's one way to leave us, me and the kids.
You know, sometimes people relapse.
You're not a drunk, Jack. You're not a drunk. You just drank too much 1 year ago, 7 couple of months ago, and then you stopped cold turkey. But I do find it convenient that this alcoholism of yours has suddenly rematerialized at the exact same moment when I had finally something happening to myself.
Lord, that's completely unfair and completely untrue. Rebecca, you know that my father was a...
I know everything.
What happened with Ben?
Ben, he tried to kiss me.
And?
And what? And what, Jack?
You know what? Great conversation, Rebecca. Way to go. That's how we're gonna talk, right?
Yeah. You know what? In the last 17 years, I had nothing to myself. And then finally, one day, something happens. And something that I want. You just...
What? Say it. Go ahead and say it. That you aren't fulfilled? Because we don't fulfill you, right? Now go ahead and say it. That your life...
I don't have a life. I don't have a life, Jack. I am a housewife to 3 teenagers who don't need me anymore. And I have a husband who walks in every day at 8 o'clock, and if I'm lucky enough, recaps his day for me, and then at 10 o'clock, he passes out. I don't have a life. I just don't.
Oh, that is something.
You know what? Why don't you just admit it to me? Admit it to me that you hated the fact that I had finally something happening for myself.
I hated the fact that you lied about sleeping with your boyfriend.
That's total bullshit. That's not the real reason, Jack. You hated the fact that I had a career.
I was fine with it. And you know what? Don't fucking call it a career. Rebecca, you want me to go there? You are a 40-year-old woman who sings covers in pubs. That is not a fucking career, Rebecca. I'm sorry to say that, but it's not. In fact, it's ridiculous. And you know what? The fact that I'm supporting this family financially, emotionally, and still I'm being attacked for not being supportive, you know what that makes you want to do? That makes you want to fucking bang my head into this table.
Let your father out. Let him out. Let your father out, bro. All this time, that's who you are.
You've no clue about what I've sacrificed for this family.
Sacrifice?
What I've given up, okay?
Sacrifice?
You don't have any clue about what I have given up.
No.
I've given you everything that you
Jack
ever
wants
wanted.
the house. Take it. Jack wants kids. Take it. Jack wants the house. Take it. All I did was just follow you my entire life. Can't you see that?
You know what? This is insane.
Of course it is.
I mean, I love you. We love each other.
What is it that you love about me? What is it that you love about me?
Huh?
The me that you see right here, right now, and not the image of me that you have conjured up in your mind for all these years. What is it? Exactly my point. So the next time you say that you love me, just make sure you don't say it out of habit. I am very tired and I'm sad. So I'm gonna go back to bed.